everyone, this is Katie Colleen with Colleen Cosplay. Welcome back, Colleen Clan, or if you are new, then come join the family for day one of SageFenCon in Pasco, Washington. Now this is a maker con, so it's a bit different than the other cons that I have attended. It's much more focused on panels and workshops and demonstrations. So I'm really excited to check this out. Very first MakerCon. You guys are going to experience this with me. We're going to go pick up some badges. I do have a press pass from SageFenCon. We are going to hopefully sign up for the Cosplay Contest. I'd like to get that done today. And then we'll be attending a body painting demonstration panel. Oh, thank you. The first craft you do at SageFenCon, the first thing you make is the program book. So I have Sister Colleen Cosplay as my handler today.
I'm not sure if I fold it this way or this way.
we're attempting our first craft of SageFenCon.
Inward.
I think these are finished. I think this is how it looks when it's finished. Okay.
Oh gosh.
Oh wow! It's like those, you know, those like fortune cookie things where
yeah,
you like
exactly
open it each way. That's what it reminds me of. Yeah. Oh, there you did do it. You did do it.
Show you all the basics so that you can put on a face of makeup. You know, at least get your base color body paint. You know, make a character that is beyond human, which is my favorite kind. This is going to be a character creation style panel. So I have some wigs over here. I have a bunch of different colored horns. I have a bunch of contacts. Literally every color of the rainbow of body paint. We're going to be using cream-based makeups. I'm going to go down my nose and just get the center of my face. We're going to add the blue, but mostly I'm going to go around the face. Slip the piece onto your face and then press that down and see where that leaves marks. So I'm going to go up here and I want to go do scales up through here. I adore this wig and I've only gotten to wear it once really.
See, with the light purple you put up here, it just blends.
Yep,
Yeah.
so that helps. See there, oh, I don't even need to do much with that one. It smells terrible. Don't breathe it in.
We got here like planning an hour to get through badges. It took 7 minutes. I think that's a record for picking up badges. So we ended up watching opening ceremonies. Body paint demo was amazing. I've never done body paint before, but now I kind of feel like I could if I wanted to. I've met a few of the con staff now. It is a much smaller con. They're only in their second year. So I did get to like personally meet some of the staff. I got to meet the hotel liaison and we talked about accessibility and they have a ramp and like the process of getting a ramp. And it was just amazing. I've gone to actually like talk to a lot of people who helped put this convention together. Tomorrow's Cosplay Contest day. I did successfully sign up, so I'm really excited to get into cosplay and try it out. Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of SageFenCon. So I'm here and I have a cute little Carmen Sandiego outfit. Do you wanna, here, do an outfit check. I didn't show you guys my outfit yesterday. Look at it's like bulging over my ear. I'm doing casual clothes with themed wheelchair decorations for this con. You don't really wear a lot of cosplay here, and I get it because like sitting through these panels, demonstrations, whatever, workshops where you're working with your hands, you don't really want to be wearing a full costume. So this is the outfit and I'll be changing into my Cosplay Contest outfit later in the day. So this is just temporary. So what we have on the schedule today, we are going to go to the Flash Fiction workshop. We're mixing it up a little. Sister Colleen Cosplay was like, hey, let's check out some writing panels. And I'm like, I am down for mixing up the vlog a little and not having it be 100% cosplay. So I'm gonna try and write a piece of fiction.
Basic premise, you've got 2 hours to write whatever story you want. I'm gonna put a prompt. You have to follow the prompt. Whatever genre, I have thought like 5 different genres you could go with that, okay. You know?
I wrote a Naruto fan fiction. This wasn't a fan fiction panel, it was just fiction. Like you're supposed to just write about colonizing Jupiter. But he said any genre. I checked multiple times like any genre and he's like any genre and I'm like any genre? And he said yes, any genre. So I did a Naruto fan fiction about colonizing Jupiter. And This man is a whole author, and he's about to read my fanfic and critique it. Sister calling cosplay a really, really good one too. It was very funny. It's time to get into cosplay. So I'm gonna get into my formal Carmen Sandiego, and we have about an hour to kill until prejudging. SageFenCon is held in the Red Lion Hotel. This is actually the same exact venue as RadCon, who I've also done press for. And everything was kind of in the same place as it was for RadCon, Registration, Masquerade, all in the same location, so it was really easy for me to get around this con. Also, there is little to no crowding whatsoever in the hallways or the lobbies. And this is because everybody is tucked away in workshops. They do have a vendor's hall and an art show if you need to kill a little bit of time in between panels, but you definitely do want to be going to those panels and those demonstrations and such, and not planning on just showing up and existing in the lobby and getting a lot out of it. You really need to be making out of MakerCon is what I'm saying. Also, overall, I saw very few people in cosplay. I would not want to be wearing a wig while operating a sewing machine either, so I get it. Hey guys, I am in Carmen Sandiego, the formal outfit that I'm competing for the Cosplay Contest. And I'm saying that like future tense, but the Cosplay Contest is done. So let me fill you guys in. Okay, how does the contest run here? It's run pretty much like any other contest. The only big difference I noticed was the divisions are set up a bit differently. They have masters kind of reserved for people who do costuming professionally according to their rules. I entered in masters anyways. It is a smaller con, and I think this is like the 15th time I've been in a cosplay contest. So even though I don't do this full time for a living, I moved to masters. Then we do prejudging. Pretty standard, then tech rehearsal, and then the actual masquerade. I did get a lovely little recording of the masquerade, which we're gonna watch right now.
Next up is Colleen Cosplay with Carmen Sandiego. Sorry, here you go.
I felt pretty good about it. It was definitely a smaller crowd. There were 3 contestants competing in craftsmanship. So everyone won an award, that's good news. They also had a hall cosplay contest where you didn't have to do craftsmanship, you just do a walk-on on stage. I definitely recommend like this con if you are new to cosplay contest, because you get a lot of time with the judges, with the tech people, with the MC. You get a lot of time with people just because it's a smaller contest. When there's only 3 contestants doing craftsmanship, you get to have basically as long as you want with the judges. I got Best in Show, which comes with a certificate, and it comes with this guy. And I got some other goodies in here. I got a bird, you know I love birds. And I got a dragon. He's upside down, but he's cute. And I got a card game. In the bottom here are some rocks. Oh no. I got a rock for the cosplay contest. Oh my gosh, I'm throwing it. Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of SageFenCon, the final day. We have 2 events planned for today on our schedule. First is the flash fiction writing critique. From what I understand, it's basically talking about how to give a good critique, how to receive a good critique, and a critique on our flash fiction. And then next, I'm doing actually my first make and take of the weekend. I feel like this is kind of what this con is more known for, is doing the make and takes. So I'm going to go to a t-shirt recycling workshop. I have all these t-shirts. There's a little Kakashi in there, and we are going to recycle them. And I believe they have sewing machines and stuff here, and we're gonna turn these into something. So that's what we have planned for today. Let's get going.
So critiquing is essential to any profession. And at best, people just give it lip service, okay? They go, yeah, sure, I know how to give I know how to give a compliment, or I know how to give a critique. They don't, as a general rule.
So how did my flash fiction critique go? It actually went really, really well. I had no reason to be nervous. The author actually gave an incredible critique. Even though it was a Naruto fan fiction and I didn't think it'd get taken seriously, it actually was. He pointed out a whole lot of really good things that I could fix, and also said that it was really easy to follow my story, even though he had never heard of Naruto before then. So at the end, he wrote something like, I think you have enough writing talent, you could write your own story and characters instead of like relying on fan fiction, basically. And I have not done any writing outside of school. Like, I haven't ever written anything recreationally since the days I was in college. And I truly just didn't think I was good enough to come up with my own characters and my own world. So I just used Naruto and used their characters and their world and their mechanics. So it definitely gave me a little bit of confidence boost that if I ever did want to get into writing, I probably could try and do it without relying so heavily on fan fiction. Okay, that is a wrap for SageFenCon. We went to the t-shirt recycling panel. I personally didn't make anything. I cut a t-shirt, but I didn't sew it because I was busy talking and I got distracted. But Sister Calling Cosplay sewed something from a t-shirt. So let's see how it looks. Got some cute little arm warmers. Yeah, look at that. And this is your first sewing project?
Pretty much.
Okay, pretty much first time using a sewing machine.
It's been a hot minute at least.
Yeah, it's been a while. So there you go. Awesome. And you also, wait, while I have you, well, I don't have your face on camera. I can back up.
Hello.
You also won an award.
I did, yes. Judge's Choice for the Flash Fiction Contest. I wrote about space cows. And yeah, he gave me a free book about cows. So we went full circle.
Full circle, full circle. Okay, awesome. So that is our con. They're already packing stuff up. And let's see, final thoughts. It's different than other cons I've attended. I actually found that kind of refreshing. If you look at my con vlogs, a lot of them I think feel the same. This was very different. Overall, I had a really great time. I'm just excited to try out a con that's different. Maker cons are kind of fun, actually. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!